Hello guys, welcome to another video in logarithm. So in our previous video, we looked into logarithm concept where we were deriving logarithm from exponent and also exponent to logarithm. And we had agreed that log a power n base a is equals to x. And we agreed that we pull this base here on the equal sign and it will give us a power n for this logarithm is equals to a power x, because this a pulls this up. So we'll have the same bases, and the bases are the same. When the bases are the same, it means n is equals to x. Okay, so in this case, we want to solve these five questions. So to solve these 5 questions, we are going to apply this concept. So remember, when you pull this up, the log will be removed. So let us try that. Here it will be 10 power x is equals to 100, which is equals to 10 power x is equals to 10 power 2 according to the laws of exponent. Now the bases are the same, so our final answer is x is equals to 2. So if x is 2, x is 2. So this is equals to that. So the same way goes here. We pull this up, we'll get x is equals to 2 power 2. That is the case. X is equals to 4. This will be our answer. And same goes here. We pull this up, it will be x power minus 5. Equals to 0.00001, which gives us x power minus 5 is equals to, according to the standard form 1, 2, to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So it will be 1 times 10 power minus 5, which gives us an answer x minus 5 is equals to 10 power minus 5. If that is the case now, it means the powers are the same. When the powers are the same, it's, for example, we're having a power n is equals to b power n. It means a is equals to b. Okay. So here what we do, we just say x is equals to 10. And we end there. Okay, so I want you to solve the following 2 questions. I want you to solve this and find the solution also for this question. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.